What's going on, traders? It's April 17th, 2019, and welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to go over market context and understanding and recognizing what's happening in the moment and what you should look for. This is purely my opinion of my market analysis. This is not any recommendation to take trades or invest in futures contracts with what I go over today. So this is just my opinion. Please understand that there's risk with trading leverage products. So today you can see here that right off the open there was like literally no contest with buyers. The sellers took it straight down. I mean, this was almost like a 20 handle move. And how can you recognize something like that at the opening, and what should you do and how you should read, understand what's happening here? So to me, this was what we call open test drive. The market opened, it tests one direction and then it drives down, and it's a huge impulse. So if you're able to, and again, I'm not telling you to go short, but what I am saying that is you can understand that maybe you shouldn't be taking any longs because you're just going to get crushed, and you're just going to be catching a falling knife, so to speak, and you're going to be trying to catch the bottom. You're trying to predict the bottom, and I mean, who says the market can't go 10 handles, 15 handles, 20 handles, 30 handles? Who knows? So understanding what's happening in the order flow, understanding what's the market context is really important, and it can probably keep you out of a lot of trouble. So here you see yesterday's market here. The volatility was like so low, and there was just chop, and I mean at the very end the market pushed down and came back up. But today it gapped up overnight. Globex, it gapped up and it opened. And if we switch over to the order flow, you'll see what this is what I saw basically. So you can see here, basically, like this is the market open, right? And literally there was, like I said before, there was no contest with buyers. So if you look at the order flow and the volume dots here, let me zoom in. This is the open. Zoom in a bit more. It literally tests 2-3 ticks up. You see the huge green dots buying, 340 some odd contracts, buyers, and nothing. It just stops in its tracks, and then it starts drifting, and then you see all the red dots, all the sellers come in and push down the price. So immediately here, like, what does that tell you? You have a gap up. Normally, like gap and go, you're gonna see like, oh, buyers are interested right at the open because overnight it gapped up. Let's see what's gonna happen when the buyers try and take it higher. So that happened within a few, probably 10-15 seconds here, and literally the buyers came in and sellers said nope, push it back down. So with size too, right? So these volume dots like are filtered for anything over 50 contracts. So you'll start seeing like, oh, look at all this, like selling, starts consolidating. I guess the buyers tried to do something here, and then next push down. You see huge volume. Buyers are starting to give up. Buyers are trying to facilitate the trade. There are buyers here to facilitate a trade. However, they're not getting anywhere. There's clearly the sellers are in control here. So I mean, at the very least, if you're not going to take a trade, and where to get in is another topic here for a short, but if you're gonna stay away, at least understand that maybe you should stay away from a long trade, because you have no idea where it's going to stop, where the buying is going to be strong enough to stop this momentum. Like, look at this. Like, the buyers just get crushed. Like this is like 20, almost a 20 handle move. I mean, if you're gonna get in long and you have the patience or the account size to hold a 20-point drop, or somewhere, maybe not a 20-point drop, maybe a 10-15-point drop, that's not taking risks serious, and that's not something that I, at least myself, I wouldn't be able to handle. So so this is what an open test drive looks like. I just wanted to, it looks like, at least in the order flow here, and I just wanted to show that. We switch back over to Sierra chart here. I mean, you'll see, like, these are 4-tick Renkos. Like, they're I mean, there's some wicks here, but you see 0 green candles. So I mean, you trade the way you want, but I just wanted to highlight this. Most people say gap up and go. See, like, it literally closes the gap here, and then it continues lower. It did get a little tied up here when it closed the gap, but the buyers did not have any control over the sellers this morning, and if you were long, you probably got crushed. And sorry if you had a bad trading day, but recognizing this and understanding what to do with the market context is vitally important when you make your trading decisions. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Also, I haven't made a video in a couple weeks, but I switched. I was doing some switching with brokers and some platforms. So you see, I used to have videos with Bookmap, but now I'm also pairing that up with Sierra chart. So if you have any questions about order flow, today's video, anything else, just leave them in the comments below. Give me a like if you like the content, and I'll catch you in the next video.